Okay, we were on Stickam,
And
and we were looking at the people who were live,
there were some people that had -1 viewers.
and we're wondering how someone has -1 viewers. Like, I think maybe that's a special feature that you have to pay for, and you can have negative viewers. I don't know why you would want negative viewers, but I'm kind of jealous that I can't do that.
I mean, if anybody knows how you get -1 viewers, comment us.
Yeah.
Find us on Stickam. Tell us.
Yeah, let us know how -1 viewers works, because I'm really curious about that.
Every person we tried to ask, they were sleeping.
Yeah, and I hate it when people on Stickam are sleeping while they're on webcam.
I mean, they want to watch you sleep.
That's ridiculous. Yeah.
Oh, and you guys, we don't want to see.
Yeah, we don't want you to show.
Oh, we don't. No.
We're a fan of clothes, so
Yeah.
let's.
We believe in wearing them.
Yeah. Nudists are cool. Just we don't want to be your friend. So yeah.